third one for just the highs. And talk about what exactly reverb is. Here's what reverb is. Imagine you are... So I can really kind of craft this line to be doing exactly what I need it to be doing. It's a little bit... It gets more dense as we move down. It's almost like... here we see our kick and our snare are hitting the threshold. And our hi-hats are not. Hey everyone, welcome to Ableton Live 5 MIDI and audio effects. This is the 5th class I've made where I'm covering everything we need to know about Ableton. My hope is that you are a person that wants to thoroughly know Ableton Live, and that you will join me for this class and the other Ableton Live classes, so that you don't learn just a couple tricks, but you learn the whole shebang and how to use the whole program. What we're going to do in this class is everything here and here. All of the effects, that's like everything in this list, and everything in this list. This list is relatively shorter. But both these two lists, there are a lot of stuff here. Now I'm going to show you how to use all these effects, what they do, a little background on how some of them work, and theory behind how they work. And also I'm going to show you some good case examples of how I like to use them in combination and by themselves. This is an effect I'm going to build in this class where we're using an overdrive, a ping pong delay, a reverb, an EQ, a beat repeat, and a filter delay. All in one complex effect. So check it out. It's going to be tons of fun. We're going to cover all of these things and how to use them. It's a really thorough class. It's like 70 videos or something long. So I hope you decide to join us in this class. I hope you have a great time, because I know you're going to have a great time. And you're going to leave this class knowing everything there is to know about how to use audio and MIDI effects in Ableton Live, and a lot about just how to use audio effects for any DAW that you happen to be interested in using. A lot of these effects are really standard stuff. Reverb, delays, limiters, gates, compressors, all this stuff, really standard stuff. So please join us on the inside and you will know all there is to know about using audio effects.